rubbish food before we go on these hikes or adventures. That was bad. So this this adventure, we're going to a secret waterfall. What's the waterfall called? Yeah.
Månafossen.
Månafossen. So yeah, it's about an hour and a half drive. I'm not driving this time. Eileen is, because this screen is broke, as you can see. So we stopped off at Kiwi, try and get some sweets, munches, burgers and a barbecue. Månafossen, and it's directly translated the moon waterfall. So very interested in this, can't wait. Hopefully it's going to be a good vlog as well. Let's go. We are halfway to the waterfall and we found this amazing church, beautiful looking church in the middle of the mountains. Look how beautiful that looks. It's picturesque. Right, let's get back in the car and go. See if I can get a good picture. I mean, look at that. That is beautiful, isn't it? In between the mountains. Look at that. So we have arrived at a car parking place. It's time to start hiking, I guess. Oh, my legs. Oh, done legs last night in the gym.
Killing.
And now I can't walk. Oh. This is a really intriguing and hard climb. Very steep. Even got rails to help you up. Whew. Hey, look at that. That's mad. You can see the water trickling down underneath the ice. Hello. Okay, we can hear the waterfall. We're slowly walking up to it. Wow. Oh my days. Babe, look at this.
It is that one.
It is. Oh my god.
Careful.
Oh my day. Whoa. That's bloody amazing. It's in the middle of the mountains. Oh my days. But I want to jump in that. I want to climb down there and get in there. We've climbed higher up the mountain to try and get a better picture. But this is the highest and furthest we can kind of go without risking our lives. But look at this. Every time we think that we found a really good picture spot, we walk a little bit longer along this steep. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, this is slippery, man. Look at that. Climbing down this. Oh. Look at that. Oh, the things we do. The things we do for nature. Picturesque. Now I did actually bring my swimming trunks and towel because I wanted to jump in there, that freezing cold water, but there's no way of getting down there. It's a life and death situation. The things we do for Instagram, hey? She's changing clothes in the freezing cold to take so her clothes don't clash with the dark background. You ready for your Instagram pictures? Let's go. Pass me that jacket, because that don't look good. Yeah. Oh, be careful. Wow. Go on then. Look at them muckles. Instagram model. Okay, I've built up an appetite. I mean, look at, I just can't get over it. I don't think the 4K in the GoPro does it any justice than seeing it in real life. But we've built up an appetite and we've decided to bring some burgers and a little barbecue. So we can actually sit and enjoy the moment up here. Because before, I'll take pictures, take some videos, and then go, right, let's go home. I've decided to now actually embrace the nature. Some hippie shit, man. This is what Eileen does to stay warm while we're sitting down relaxing. She just squats just to get her blood going. What the? Lovely jubbly! The worst part about the journey home is the hike downhill. Plus it hurts your knees. Oh, this is it. The end of the road. What a trip. You alright, babe? Look at these stones. Well worth it. We made it to the bottom where the car park is, but this is where the waterfall finishes. So we hiked all the way up over that mountain, so the water comes all the way down, all the way through the villages. Lovely. Had a good time?
Very good.
The thing I like about it, it is only an hour's drive and 40 minutes hike, or 30-minute hike, and then you saw a beautiful waterfall like that. So definitely going to come back here in the summer. All right, let's get home.